Hello everyone, welcome to the SSC Coaching Center YouTube channel. It is an initiative to help those students who is working and not able to attend classes regularly, and especially for my MYC students and all the non-Hindi students. All lectures will be in English only. Just stay tuned. We will start our reasoning with the topic of inequalities, right? Because inequalities is the most important topic for all bank exams, right? So for discussing inequalities, we will start with some theory part. After that, we will discuss some basic examples, and then after that, some different type of questions, right? Then you have to do practice. Okay, so for theory part of inequality, there is no such type of theory in this, just some basic signs, right? My first basic signs are three, right? These three signs are greater, less than, and equal to signs. And we have three derived signs also, like greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to, right? These three signs are basics and these three signs are derived signs because they are derived from the basic signs, right? Now in inequalities, they will give you question in the form of a statement, right? In the statement like this, they will give you, and on this basis of this statement, they will give you some conclusions, right? In the statement, they will give you relation between some variables in the form of like this, and they will give you some conclusions. So we're going to discuss some strategy in this inequalities. For this, I have to take greater than sign like this, equal to sign, and greater than equal to whatever you want to say it, right? Greater than equal to, less than equal to. So for this, for my trick, I will take this end is as open end, and I will take this end is close end. This sign is open from the both end, and this sign is have two ways, both are open, and in this one is closed and one is open. So this case will be in the 50-50% chances, means possibility case, this case. But other two are definite, means in these I can go either only this side, right? In this sign I can pass through from the open side only. For this I can pass through either side of this sign, right? So we will just take like this. Okay, for example, just take a statement as a tunnel, right? For example, I will just take it as a tunnel. It is my tunnel, and these things are my gates or doors, right? And conclusion will be my map, means they will ask you how to go in conclusion, means they will give you, can I go A to B? Then we will check. How we will check? First take example, first sign, like I am having first tunnel like this, and I am having second tunnel, and I am having third tunnel. In this I have a sign of less than equal to. In this I am having equal to sign. In this I am having less than or greater than equal to sign, right? So if A and B like this, right? So if I want to go from A to B, then I can go through only this side, right? If I want to go like this from B to A, then I cannot pass through, right? So that conclusion will not follow. If I am saying B is greater than A or B is less than A, I can pass through only A to B. In this I can pass through A to B this side or this side. This is bidirectional. In this I can pass through, means we can say there is a divider in this tunnel, right? For this I will just take, I can go this through, I can go through this also. But if I want to come, then I cannot come by this route. I can come by this route only, right? So that's why this is a case of possibility, right? 50-50 chances, right? So like in this example, take this is my tunnel and these are my conclusions are mapped. Now they are showing that A is greater than B, means I have to check, can I go A to B, right? So I will check this. Yeah, this door is open, I can pass through from A to B direction, right? In this direction is reverse, so I will check, can I go D to C, right? So I will go D to C. Yeah, door is open, I can pass through. So my this conclusion will follow, this one also follow, right? Based on this topic, this concept, we will discuss some more examples, right? This is the only concept we're gonna discuss in the inequalities part. If you got this concept, you got all inequalities, trust me. So let's discuss some basic examples. These are my some basic examples, right? My first example, right? My first example is A is greater than B is greater than C is greater than D is greater than E. All signs are in one direction only. And my conclusion, right? So I will just make it, it is my tunnel, right? These are my maps, right? These are my maps direction. We can take as direction. Okay, so in my first conclusion they are saying A is greater than E, so I can pass through A to E according to the conclusion, right? So I will just check the statement also, can I go through or not. So I will check A to B, yes I can go. B to C, yes I can go. C to D, yes I can go. D to E, yes I can go. Means I can pass through A to E. So that conclusion will follow, means that conclusion is right. Then I will check next one. Next one is E is less than B. In this direction is reverse, right? So I have to check, can I go B to E? This direction is given that I can go B to E according to the conclusion. So I will check, can I go B to E? B is here, right? So I will check B to C. Yes, I can go, right? C to D, yes I can go, the door is open. D to E, yes I can go, door is open, right? So my both conclusion will follow, right? See the example number 2. In this statement is like this and conclusions are given. My first conclusion is A is greater than C, means I can go A to C according to the conclusion, but can I go according to the statement? I have to check it. First A to B, yes I can go. Then I will check B to C, yes I can go, means my first statement is true. Then second one is C less than E. So according to the conclusion I can go C to E to C. So I have to check, can I go according to the statement? I have to go E to C now, right? Because door is open at the side of E, so I can go only E to C, right? So E to C I have to check. E to D I can go, yes. Then D to C, yeah I can go. So this statement is also follow, means I am able to go E to D and D to C. There is no restrictions. Now I will check my third statement. Third statement conclusion is saying that A is greater than D. So I have to go A to D according to the conclusion. Means my direction is given, I have to go A to D. So I will just check in the statement, can I go in the actual A to B? Yes. B to C? Yes. C to D, when I am checking C to D, means there is a blockage, door is closed here, so I cannot go to A to D, right? So this conclusion will not follow, right? See the next example, example number 3. In this, greater than equal to sign is given, right? But all the variables have the same sign, right? And conclusions are like this. A is greater than D, means they are saying you can go A to D by this road, means door is open, right? But they are saying it definitely, means you can go by this road only, this door only. But we have other door also, na? Means that equals to sign. So there is a possibility 50-50 chances. So if we have 50% chances, other chances also, then we cannot say definitely that A is greater than D, or we can go A to D by just only this door, right? So we will say this is a possibility case, so this will not follow, right? A to C, again they are saying same thing, means we have 2 gates at every stage, but they are saying you can go only by only 1 gate, so it is not possible. We can go by the gate also, right? So for going to A to C, I can go with other gate also, so it is a definitely case, right? And there is a possibility, so that will also not follow. Now in the third statement they are saying A is equal to B, means you can go either A to B or B to A, but again they are saying you have only 1 gate to go according to the conclusion. But in the statement they are saying you have 2 gates to go B to A or A to B, right? So that's why this one is also not follow, right? Because these are saying definitely and the cases are possibility, right? Now fourth one is saying A is greater than equal to C, means you can go to C, right? But by both, now they are saying by both door you can go. So we will check A to C, A to B, yes. B to C, yes. We have both doors, they are saying both doors, and we are having both doors in our statement also, so I can say that this statement is true, right? For statement 5, now we have both doors, but they are saying D to B, right? I have to go from D to B, means D to C, C to B, right? But you will have that I cannot go, I can go only by this road only, this door, but other door is blocked, right? So by both we cannot go, so that's why we cannot go D to B, so that statement will also not follow, right? Check example number 4. A is greater than equal to B, is greater than equal to C, is greater than D, and greater than equal to E, right? Conclusions are like that. They are saying A to E, A to E, and they are saying definitely by only this door you can go through your tunnel by this route only, right? So we will check, yes, A to B I can go both routes, B to C both routes, both doors open, C to D there is only one door, right? Means in conclusion they are saying you have to use this door only, and here is also they are saying we have to use this door only because there is only one door, right? So this conclusion will follow. Or if you can say like that, if chain breaks, then conclusion will follow, right? Means they are giving greater than sign and all are the greater than sign, but equal to is not present in between C and D, so chain is breaked. So I can say that we have to pass through must with this door only, so this statement will follow. Now I will check second statement, A is greater than C. I will check, I have to go A to C, but C, for going A to C you have to pass any door, you can go by any door, right? But they are saying only one door you can go, so it is not true. I can go with some other door also, so I will not follow it. Next is D to E. D to E, again they are saying only with this door, but there are two doors, right? So for D to E I can go by two doors, but they are giving only one door, so this will also not follow. B is greater than D. B is greater than D means I have to go from B to D. For going B to D, right? So I have to go with this door only. Yeah, I have to, because in between B to D there is a chain break and there is only one door between C and D, right? So I have to pass through with this door. So I can say that door will I have to use, and that conclusion will follow, right? Sometimes they will give you statement like this, example number 5 in breaking form, right? For this don't need to worry, just see what they are asking in the statements on conclusion. They are saying A to K means K to A you have to go, because that end is open, so you have to go K to A. So start with K, okay, K to C I can go, then C to B can I go? No, I cannot go, right? So I have to reach A na, so that's why it will not follow. The next is B to D. B to D, I have to go B to D, right? So B to C I can go, yes, I can go B to C. C to K I can go, no, I cannot go, right? So this will also not follow. Now I have to go B to M. B to M. So B to C I can go, yes. C to K I can go, no, door is closed, so this will also not follow. A to M I have to go, right? A to B I can go, yes. B to C I can go. C to K I cannot go. C to K I cannot go. So this statement will also not follow, because for reaching M I have to reach D. After D I can reach this na. So that's why this statement will also not follow. This is enough for this lecture. We will discuss in the next lecture type first questions, and that question is asked in SBI PO 2013, right? For this video that is enough, and if you have any suggestions, query, doubts and any feedback, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe it. Okay, thank you.